Hello everyone, you are watching Worknive and this video is to fix one very basic error in OBS Studio. Sometimes when we want to do live stream, we'll click this start streaming button, but the problem is that start streaming button does not work. The live stream doesn't start. What is that issue? One issue comes that this dialog pop-up comes. Starting the output failed, please check the log port details, and if you are using the NVENC or AMD encoders, make sure your video drivers are up to date. I also faced the same issue some time back, and how did I fix that? So after that I fixed that issue, and this is a very common issue. There is no need to for any pain. You have to just update your video drivers to the latest version, and for that you will click this button here. Right click on this NVIDIA app and just left click on this NVIDIA app button. Yeah, so it will take some time to reload, and automatically it will update all the to the existing model. After that you can open this NVIDIA app also. I have kept it open. When you will click this, you will go to the home bar. After that you have to click to this driver button, and you have to see this download button. You can just click on it, give it some time to install, download and install, wait some time, and after that everything is done. That's it. So obviously for start streaming you have to create one manage broadcast, create existing one, join existing one, or create a new one. That's your wish. And after that you can start streaming and it will work perfectly fine. So that's it guys, it will work hopefully. Even if some problems are there, you just comment down. I will try to solve them. Meet you on the other side of the video. That's it guys, thank you.